Thursday, June the 6th, 2024, and I'm currently in the Melbourne airport, currently airside at the international terminal, and heading over to my gate for United Airlines flight number 61, heading to San Francisco to start my American adventure. Hope you enjoy. Always wanted to go on one of these. Alright, so it's about midday on June the 6th, 2024 in American time, and I've got my first train. It's a Union Pacific auto rack train with an SD70 on the lead, in the new paint job too, so that was pretty cool. I'm very jet lagged at the moment, but I'm going to have some lunch from Subway, which is just over there. One note, if you're going on BART, bring earplugs. That was loud as hell. Oh well. So yeah, trains. Conveniently as well, Emeryville Station here is right next to the hotel, the Hyatt House Hotel. So if you're ever catching the California Zephyr and you need somewhere to stay the night before, go do the Hyatt House. I'm about to try it tonight, but check-in's not 2 or 3 and it's about 11 o'clock now, so rail fanning time. So what you just saw go past was a local, I think it was, with some empty oil tankers behind 3 GP38s. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I've never seen route spine engines in America, and definitely not Union Pacific ones, because I've never been on this side of the pond. So, well, this side of the country, I should say. Because last time I came here, I was on the east coast for 2 weeks, and majority of this trip is on the west coast. Alright, so the reason I'm in Emeryville is because it is the starting point for the California Zephyr from here in Emeryville through to Chicago. Tomorrow I'm going to be riding it to Grand Junction, Colorado. Today's run from Chicago is a few hours late, so we may not see it today. But yeah, I've purposely planned so I start and finish the trip here. I'm staying overnight in the hotel, which is over there. So yeah, we've already gotten a couple of freight trains come through, and there's supposed to be a Amtrak San Joaquin service in a couple of minutes, so it'll be cool to see that come through, hopefully with an F59 on it and not a stupid Charger. But anyway, if it's a long distance Charger I don't mind, but if it's a short distance one like Caltrans has got, yeah, not interested. Oh well, should be cool. That locomotive there is what is called an F59 PHI. Basically the streamlined version of the F59 PHs, which were done in the early 90s. Basically is a short haul version of the F40s that were running at that time for Amtrak. Amtrak California on the Capital Corridor and the San Joaquins are the only part of Amtrak that operates these locos now because of the EPA regulations. So this might be a bit of history because we don't know how much longer these locos will be running for. minutes later, we've got the F-59's replacement, which is the SC-44 Chargers. They look cool, they sound alright, but apparently, according to the crews, they're crap. I unintentionally got that on the wrong side of the sun, but anyway, that was cool. My first southbound pass here at Emeryville. I think there's a couple more before I have to go check into the hotel, so yeah, good stuff. Alright, so I've walked onto the footbridge above Emeryville Station to get the next two Amtrak trains to come through. There's one northbound to Sacramento and southbound to Oakland, which is the next station south of here. This is the view of the entire station and in the sun. So this will be a much nicer shot than from where I was standing. I was literally just down there because of how nice the garden was next to the station. So yeah. The northbound's coming first. All right, guys. Honestly, I'm pretty knackered. I've been going pretty much non-stop for nearly 24 hours now. So I'm very tired. I'm gonna have a bit of a snooze. I'm in my hotel room now at Emeryville. Although the view is pretty awesome, so I might get distracted a few times this evening. Worth it. So with that in mind, thanks for watching the first part of my Great American Adventure. Over the next 6 weeks, I'll be going across America to Virginia and back, starting and finishing here in Emeryville. And it starts tomorrow on the California Zephyr, going over Donner Pass, which will be magnificent. So stay tuned.